Assalamualaikum friends, don't forget to take care of your health and wash your hands for at least 20 seconds before watching this video. First, open the userland application and select the virtual type to run and install Terminator. Second, you type sudo su. Then type sudo apt-get install Terminator. Third, you open the xsdl server application, instead of the xserver needed. Next, you type the IP export display to connect the server and userland applications to open Terminator. Here, lowercase and uppercase letters must be considered. Then, type Terminator again and return to the server application to run Terminator. And click the back button to bring up the keyboard in the server application. Okay friends, until here first this tutorial. Wait for my next video. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.